How to fix AirPods battery pop-up not showing. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the AirPods battery pop-up not showing. The first attempt to fix the AirPods pop-up not showing is to check your AirPods battery. Make sure your AirPods or the AirPods case are not running out of juice when connected to your iPhone. If the AirPods pop-up does not show when you open the case lid with AirPods inside, go to check that the light on the AirPods case turns amber, which means it's low on power. In this case, your AirPods must be charged. Sometimes earwax, dust, or dirt can be piled up in the AirPods charging case and cause the AirPods pop-up not to work when you open the lid. All you need to do is use a microfiber cloth, cotton swab, or any other soft yet small tools to wipe down your AirPods and charging case. The AirPods pop-up will not be showing when there's a poor Bluetooth connection, as AirPods need Bluetooth instead of Wi-Fi to work or connect to a device. You should think about whether your iPhone Bluetooth connection is available. You can toggle off the Bluetooth and reopen the Bluetooth again after 10 seconds, and open your AirPods case lid to see if your AirPods pop up. Alternatively, Bluetooth can be restarted by enabling and disabling airplane mode. Simply swipe down the control center on your iPhone and initiate airplane mode, then turn it off after 10 seconds. The next effective one to deal with the AirPods Pro pop-up not working is to reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods back in the charging case and open the case lid. Go to Settings and tap Bluetooth. Click on the eye icon, which refers to your AirPods, then select Forget this device and confirm. Press and hold the AirPods charging case setup button until the indicator light flashes orange 4 times. Then, you have completed the AirPods reset. After that, you can reconnect the AirPods to your iPhone and see if it pops up. Maybe you made some settings on your iPhone inadvertently, causing your AirPods pop-up not to show on your iPhone. Then, try to open the AirPods again to see if the problem is still there. This reset will not erase the data and content on your iPhone. Simply turn to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset All Settings and confirm it.